tips and tricks, leave them in the comments below and I'll check them out. Making or purchasing a cosplay. 1. Make a list of everything you will require. This includes the entire outfit, right down to the belt, gloves, and shoes. It should also include wigs, if you use them, makeup, and any necessary undergarments. If you plan to make the cosplay, make a list of the materials you'll need for each piece. As an example, a white blouse made of white cotton, white thread, and white buttons. Green skirt, dark green twill or wool suiting, matching thread, and zipper hook closure. Skin-toned bra, brown loafers, white knee socks. 2. When sewing your cosplay, use patterns. You can either purchase a pattern from a fabric store or create your own. Many patterns include a list of suggested fabric types. On the pattern, you may need to change the shape of the hem or sleeves. Don't be afraid to reshape a collar to fit your cosplay. 3. Do not be afraid or embarrassed to purchase cosplay accessories. If your cosplay necessitates the use of a commonplace item, it is preferable to simply purchase it. For example, if you're cosplaying Kagome from Inuyasha, it'll be much cheaper and faster to buy a pair of knee socks than to make them yourself. 4. Think about purchasing and modifying a piece to fit your cosplay. You may come across an item that is the correct shape, but the incorrect color. Sometimes you'll find something that's the right color, but a little too long. Instead of creating, obtain an almost perfect piece and then modify it. As an example, dye something if it's the right shape but the wrong color. Cut anything that is too long or has sleeves, but don't forget to hem it. Paint your boots to match your cosplay or make boot covers. 5. When purchasing or commissioning a cosplay, do your homework. There is no guarantee that the cosplay will fit you perfectly, particularly if you purchase it from a cosplay shop. The quality could be excellent or subpar, so check to see if they're dependable. 6. Do not overlook props and accessories. While they are not required, they can really take your cosplay to the next level. A prop can help you think of more creative poses, and accessories can make your cosplay more realistic. Simple designs are used in many animated films. Consider adding some jewelry or hair pieces if you're cosplaying as a Disney princess. Hope you liked the video. Like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.